You clicked on this video because you think I'm exaggerating, but I'm not. Photoshop might actually be finished. I know, that sounds insane. Even I grew up designing everything in Adobe Photoshop. But yesterday, Google and Higgsfield launched a tool that changes everything. The tool is called Nano Banana Pro, powered by the brand new Gemini 3 AI model. And it claims to fix all the major problems artists and YouTubers complain about. Ugly AI text, distorted faces, inconsistent lighting, no realism, and absolutely useless thumbnails. But after using it for 24 hours, I can confidently say, this thing is scary good. My name is Atif, and you're watching Try Tech a B. Let's get started. Let me first walk you through the Nano Banana Pro interface inside Higgsfield. When you log in, you land on the main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see categories like Images, Videos, 3D Tools. Under the Image category, select Nano Banana Pro. This opens the image generation page, and here you'll find 1. Your previous renders, so you can easily track your experiments. 2. Prompt bar. This is where the magic happens. 3. Model selector. Choose Nano Banana Pro here. 4. Aspect ratios. 1:1, 4:3, 16:9. All the standard formats needed for thumbnails, Instagram, YouTube banners. 5. Resolution options, 1K, 2K, and full 4K. For thumbnails, always choose 16:9 in 4K. This gives you razor-sharp edges and professional quality. Now let's get into the real reason everyone is freaking out. The thumbnail you clicked for this video? I didn't make it in Photoshop. I made it inside Higgsfield in just 5 minutes, with 0 editing. Here's my usual Photoshop workflow. Think of a concept. Search for stock photos, download them, cut them out, clean edges, add lighting, add text, add effects, export. This whole process takes 1 to 2 hours minimum. But now, the new workflow looks like this. Ask ChatGPT for a viral thumbnail concept. Paste the prompt into Higgsfield. Select 4K. Hit Generate. Wait 20 to 25 seconds, and you get a perfect thumbnail. Why is this a big deal? Because for the first time ever, the AI generated perfect text inside the image. Before this, AI text looked like Photoshop is finished, AEE generation 10XD, like some alien was trying to write English. But now, clean, sharp, accurate, readable text. This alone is enough for content creators to switch completely. But here's the real test. Can it generate your actual face accurately? Because let's be honest, AI thumbnails always make your face look too smooth, too stretched, too fake. I tested Nano Banana Pro with a photo of my face, a reference thumbnail, a detailed prompt from ChatGPT, and what it generated was literally me. Not AI me, not cartoon me, not some random dude. It got everything right. Beard shape, eyebrows, skin tone, expression, face structure. This is huge for creators because you no longer need to set up studio lights, take 30 to 50 photos, adjust exposure, clean backgrounds, edit your face in Photoshop. Now you just upload one reference image and the AI does the rest. Now let's talk about Instagram content, because this tool is not only for thumbnails. I tested whether it can create DSLR-style cinematic photos for social media. You know those viral travel vibes photos like standing in Italy, walking in Dubai, standing near a monument, sunset bokeh portraits. So I uploaded my reference face and wrote a cinematic prompt, and the results were crazy. The AI understood proper orange and teal color grading, realistic rim light, depth of field, bokeh, shadow placement, camera angle logic. This is photography level work. To shoot something like this in real life, you'd need a mirrorless camera, a fast prime lens, 3-point lighting, color grading in Lightroom. AI just did all of that in 10 to 15 seconds. The final stress test was product mockups, because designing bottles, boxes, packaging, tumblers, cosmetic products normally requires Photoshop or even Blender. I created a detailed product prompt and generated it, and the result looked like a professional 3D render. Why this is scary good. The logo wrapped around the curve correctly. The metal texture looked realistic. The condensation drops had perfect highlights. No 3D model needed. No smart object PSD templates. This saves hours of work for brand designers. Now's the big question. Is Photoshop actually finished? Here's the honest truth. For extremely complex professional compositions, you still need Photoshop. But for YouTubers, social media influencers, business owners, designers, students, Nano Banana Pro is easily 10 times faster. Why spend 2 hours in Photoshop when AI gives you a better result in 20 seconds? If you want to try this tool, the link is in the description below. And right now, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year if you subscribe before November 24th. My name is Atif, and you're watching Try Tech AB. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep creating.